Good morning to all Atomians. This is Consolacion Digamon Vinluan of Batuan, Bohol. And to tell you the truth, I am 81 years old. Still kicking because of Atomy and for Atomy. Thanks to the very active leaders of Atomy in Bohol, Sir June and Ma'am Cherry Catalunya. Thank you so much, because without you, I wouldn't be able to join Atomy. At first, when they came to me, I said, no, I'm not going to join you because I want to have a peaceful environment, not without hassle and no worries at all. Because I know that if we join a group like this, then the environment will no longer be hassle-free. But then, because Sir June and Ma'am Cherry insisted on explaining the quality of the products of Atomy, and especially because they are very much concerned of our health, and that is what I am concerned with also. So, after a while, I said, I will try the products first before I will share it to my friends. So I tried to order some of the products and tried them for 1 week. After 1 week, because I was satisfied, I was contented with the effects of the products that I took in, that I use as medicine instead, because I do not use synthetic medicine. Up to this moment, I do not use synthetic medicine. I do not even know what are the synthetic medicines, but instead, I like the Atomy. So, after a week, I shared the products to our parish priest, to principals and supervisors of DepEd, even to students in private schools, and make Atomy product as because I introduced this also to students taking entrepreneurship. So ginawa nila itong livelihood project in the same manner that together with the priest, we inspired, we encouraged that 27 chapels of our community, of our town, to use Atomy products as their livelihood project. So whatever they need in their chapel, they can buy, they can improve. So one way, the reason why I joined is because I want to help also those who need help. So we had to coordinate with the division superintendent of the division of Bohol. And that letter of the superintendent is being used by our leaders and us in order to coordinate with the principals and the supervisors of DepEd. The same thing we do with the private schools. So I am sharing this with you so that maybe if you like our procedure, then you can do it also. So this time, I love to take in Him. When my mother was in the hospital for 2 weeks, every day I took instead of taking synthetic medicine, instead of taking in synthetic vitamins, I had to take only Hemohim, vitamin C, probiotics. And we were able to survive even after, because my mother died after that. And then that is the reason also why I have to go down, because I am already given a notice to go down. Thank you.